Good morning. We're in Toronto, in the West End, to be precise. And it happens to be a very, very beautiful day. We've had a busy couple days in Toronto. I've been here a couple days doing some cool stuff at work. And today is gonna be finally a day where we got a bit of a break, where I can enjoy the city, see some amazing cafes, explore a little bit. And I think there's nothing better than on a sunny day like this to explore a city, see what it has to offer, and also, unfortunately, get some work done. But what better than doing it at a cafe?